Hello and welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today I'm bringing to you a recipe, a very short video about an oven fried porgy, which is going to be served up with some spinach and kale, some garlic butter, spinach and kale. That's going to be my lunch actually. So I would like to thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting, for subscribing. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the encouraging words. And I wish you all the best for 2022. And let's go to those ingredients and get this video rolling. Now the spinach being such a delicate green leafy vegetable, it cooks very quickly, it cooks very easily. Now I'm going to add some butter and garlic in there and let those saute for a while before I put the spinach in there. Once you put the spinach in there, it's like over. It's going to wilt down and absorb all that flavor, and once it wilts down, it's cooked through, and you have your side dish. So let's go and get that spinach into the pan, and let's saute some spinach in the garlic butter sauce with onions. I'm going to leave the link below for the previous spinach dish that I did, so you can compare them. Okay, so here we go. I have some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here. I'm going to first put the onions in, because I don't want to put the garlic in. If the oil is too hot, the garlic is going to burn. So you put the onions in and let those go for a minute. Then I'll pop the garlic in there. We turn the fire down a little to low and let this saute for a while. I'm going to drop a little salt in there so that it can activate the liquid and get the liquid out of the onions. So. Once the onion becomes translucent, I will add the spinach and crank up the heat a little bit so it could work. I'll be back when you're adding the spinach. And here, as you can see, the spinach really doesn't take long. It's a really quick cooking vegetable. So you taste the salt content. needs a little, just a little salt, and that's done. So for the kale, for my kale, that's a little tougher. So I cut it in very thin strips. I cut it in very thin strips. It will cook quicker and it will cook evenly. So I will show you how I cut the strips. I have already cut them as a matter of fact. So I'll show you those strips, and we'll do the kale. You get the kale in the pan with the onions and the garlic, and let that's gonna go for a while. I'm gonna cover that and let it saute in some water. I use water. I don't have any. I would use chicken broth, but I don't have any chicken broth on hand, so I just use some water and some bouillon powder and let that saute in there for maybe about 5 minutes. It's going to be lovely and tender. So let's go work on the kale right now. And as I mentioned earlier, the kale I will cut in strips, very small strips, very thin strips, and so that they can cook quicker. Kale is a kind of a tough veggie, kind of a tough green, and it's, so I have in here half of an onion, and I'm going to now add some bouillon powder and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. And we're going to cook this down until it gets soft. I'll just cover this and add a little bit of water in there. Or if I have, it's better with chicken broth. If I have chicken broth, I'll put some in there. Now the fish, as you can see, has been seasoned. I have seasoned that Porgy. I've washed it, cleaned it, and everything, and I put some slits into the top and into the sides, and also I've seasoned it with some paprika, salt, and pepper. And in the inside, I got some lime, and I'll stuff it with some lime, lemon, and a few pieces of zucchini, and maybe some rosemary also in there. And then I'll just make sure it's marinated properly and seasoned, and it's going to go into the oven at 400, and it's going to take about 30 to 35 minutes to get nice and crispy, as an oven fried item, I should say. But so that's what we're going to do next. We're going to get that in the oven at 400 for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then we're going to see the end result of our oven fried Porgy. So here we go. Our oven fried Porgy came out very, very beautiful. Nice, dark, crisp skin, and it's just tender and juicy, and I can't wait. My lunch is ready. So I hope you try this recipe, and it's nice and quick, and just be patient and you're going to get the best results. And the spinach and the kale, a piece of cake. So I hope you try this recipe and just let me know how it came out. Oven fried Porgy with spinach and kale. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.